It's Christy Lani here, and today I'm gonna be using this Nikki Tutorials palette. So if you guys wanna see how I got this look, and I'm probably gonna use this every day and try to create a look with it. So if you guys wanna see that, just stay tuned. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave so that you can see how I'm gonna play with the video all week long. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys shortly. Bye. Don't know what color I'm gonna choose yet, but we're soon to find out. No, I'm probably gonna go with the neutral brown colors maybe. I seen her do a really pretty look with the brown, so I might try that in my own way. So here it is. And the first color I'm gonna do is Basic Tret. And that would be this one here. And one thing I like about this palette is that it has magnifying mirror on one side, this side here. So for the older folks that needs glasses, it caters to all of us, not only the seeing people but the non-seeing people. I'm just joking, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do that real quickly. I know my face right now looks really pale, looks really scary, maybe, you guys are having an amazing day. For me, it's so far so good. It's going good so far. And then we're gonna do the color Mila right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole eye with this. Using one of my Morphe brushes that I got in a set for the eyes. There's no number on it. Look how nice this color is coming on. I was gonna do some makeup looks, but some Halloween looks, but I was so tired from the move and stuff, I just didn't do it. I love the way it's coming on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use any random brush. Another one from my Morphe eyeshadow brushes, the one I bought in a set. It's just a flat kind of brush. I'm just gonna go to the outer corner here. I really love these colors. It seems like I don't have enough eye space. Because when I do makeup on other people, it's like they have more of an eye space than I do. But, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend with a random brush here. This is my tapered blending brush. I got in one of my subscription boxes. I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like blend that. I didn't add anything on there, I just using a clean brush. Okay. We put some more of the brown on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some, what is it? Concealer right in here. And then I'm gonna go on with, I wanna do all in. Oh no, this one here, Mr. Tutorials. I'll go ahead and use that one. I'm gonna go back on the top with the Mila. Maybe let's go ahead and go on with some ivy right here. 5 a.m. will go on the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup. Let's just check this out really quickly. It looks really dark and brown. I gotta go ahead and put some color on my face as well. It looks like I need more color, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and see how that goes. Alrighty guys, so this is my finished look. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. When you start to put your makeup on at the beginning, it doesn't look all put together until the end. So just trust the process in between and the starting, because once you're done, everything seems to always just put together. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys, especially, you know, everyone that supports my channel. I really appreciate you, and I want to just say thank you. Okay, so that will be the end of this video, and I shall see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye.